Hello everyone and welcome back again. So here in this video we are starting string in Java. So we have a playlist in which we will first cover the basics of string, and usually we will see the basics of string definitions, and then we will move to solve some problems. So what is string? So in Java, string is basically an object that represents sequence of character, an array of character that works same as Java string. So string in Java is something which is closed inside double quote. As you can see, how we can declare a string. First, we will write data type of the variable. So here we will write a string and name of that variable message, and again in next line message equal to welcome, and you can see this welcome is in inside double quote. So when you write a string, you have to enclose in double quote. Here we are just declaring a message and again initializing. Here in this line you can declare and initialize both in a single line to remove the extra line. So you will write string which is data type variable name equals to hello world. This is your message which you have to write. So now let's move to the code section. So we will focus on implementation rather than theory part. So we have created a class named first string, and we will write main method inside the first string class public void main. This is our main method, and we will first initialize. We will first declare a string. So string name. So in this line we have declare declare, and again in next line we will initialize the string name equal to double quotes, and then we will write tiny borders. So here we have declared and initialized our string. Now we will print this system dot out dot println and name of the variable which is name. Now let's run this. It will take a few seconds. Compile. So here you can see any photos which we have passed in the name variable. Now let's move to the so now let's move to the methods in string. So the first one is length, which returns the length of the string. Now we will comment this, and now we will print the length of this name, which is name dot length. Length is a method which tells the length of the string. So if you calculate, the length will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now run this. Here you can see We are getting 10 the output. So in the second method, we have substring method. It returns a new string that is substring of the original string starting from the specified index. So I will show you first, then I will. Okay. Dot println name dot substring, and I will pass to here now. So we are getting ny coders. So I have passed in 2 in the substring method. So it will now give me the part of the string which start from the 2. So if you here calculate, it start from n. So n is here 0, 1, 2. So it gives the string from index 2. Okay. Now the third one is concat. Concat is a concat method. Concat it adds the string, one string to another string at the end of the string. Now if I want to add another string at the end of this tiny coders, then I have to use concat method. I will use South is a shortcut for IntelliJ IDEA. If you don't, you can use this name dot con. Here we are getting suggestion concat, and I will pass to. I will give here space. Okay. Now let's run this. So here you can see YouTube channel has appended at the end of this string tiny coders. So the complete string will be tiny coders YouTube channel. Our fourth method is to uppercase, and fifth one is to lowercase. So to uppercase returns a new string with all characters converted to uppercase, and in lowercase it returns a new string with all character converted to lowercase. Do this. Name dot lowercase dot uppercase. Okay, fine. Now if I have to modify the string and make it some uppercase and lowercase character. So now the lowercase method will change all the characters in lowercase, and T and C will be in lowercase, and to uppercase method will change all the characters, all the string into uppercase. So now let's run this. Here you can see lowercase method change all this string into lowercase and uppercase. Now the next method is trim. So trim is used to remove the white spaces. White spaces are the spaces that are starting and end of the string. If I give here space, comment this name dot trim. If I run this, this will trim all the white spaces and give us that tiny borders. Now let's run this too. Here you can see it has removed all the white spaces. Our last method is equal method. So it compares two string for equality. Now we will take two strings, which is tiny. We will give name one, name two will be Buddha's. Now south. Name one dot name one dot equals name two. So this will return boolean value. So this will check that the name one is equals to name two or not. If both the strings are equal, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Now let's run this. As we know, both the strings are not equal, so it will return false. Now just change the string and make it tiny. Now let's run this. And here it will return true. There are other methods, but these are the methods that are widely used. So string buffer. String buffer is same as string, but as you know, string is immutable. That means if you created a string, then you can't change it. Immutable means unchangeable. So string buffer provide functionality for modifying, appending, inserting, and deleting character in a sequence. How we declare and initialize a string buffer? So first we have to write this name string buffer. We have to write the same as this string buffer and name of this instance new. We have to write new. This is a new object. We are initializing a new object string buffer. Let's create this. Now I will comment all the here. String buffer. String buffer sp equal to new string buffer. Here you can give the name any name as you want. For now I am giving sp. There is a method to append string in string buffer. So sp dot sp dot sp dot here you can see I am getting this append I'm inserting multiple string. Time folder, right. Now simply end this sp. Now let's run this. You can see we are getting tiny coders yt. So it appends first. Tiny is inserted in sb. Again we are appending coders. Coders will append at the end of this tiny. Again the string will be tiny coders after appending the these two things, and at the end we are appending yt. So the whole string will be tiny coders. Now string builder provides method for modifying, appending, inserting and deleting character in a sequence. It is generally more efficient in terms of performance compared to string buffer declaration and initialization. So string builder is same as string buffer. There are same method. String builder. We will copy this. We comment string buffer and change string builder. Everything is same as string buffer, but the change is only here string builder instead of string buffer. So let's run this and we will get the same output. Here you can see output is same as string buffer. So that's now that's enough for today. In this series, I will be solving some lead code questions of string. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.